again, this is my marble run. I have a black marble. Okay, first it goes there. See, if you don't know what My Little Pony is, it's a, show that girls watch. But I watch it on my boy. Look. We have the Elements of Harmony and Celestial Luna. And Caden's is Cutie Marks. They're the princesses. And guess what? Oh, this Cutie Mark kind of looks like a Pac-Man. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Just in time. Again. Take it up, take it up, take it up. I said that in my last video. Okay. Say, oh, damn. Jordan, can you get on marble?
Sorry, Sam.
Jordan, please. Wait, Jordan, I need her. Okay. Okay, that didn't work. Fail 1. Woo! Fail 2. Fail 3. Fail 4. Will I skip that? Fail 6. Fail 7. Fail 8. Okay, 8 fails. I hope you like and subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. Bye.